All right. So tell me, is it a problem that financial institutions teach financial education to children in schools?
I believe so. I think there's institutions that have the promise to educate children, but let's take Visa or MasterCard.
Mm.
They're not there for financial education, they're there for financial gain. They want to brand that child to make sure they're a customer for life. You come to me, I'm able to teach you as a parent how to teach your children. So I believe it starts at home at the kitchen table.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when institutions come into schools, I always question what is the underlying thing they really are wanting.
So do you believe families, mum and dad, should be sitting around the dinner table or kitchen island, and teaching their financial situation to the kids?
Sometimes yes. I want to say yes and no, right? Don't make it a Wednesday night to 7:30, right? It's not a scheduled thing. They come up with opportunities to teach. And this comes with not only with finances, but this could come how to ride a bicycle or how to run or walk or climb a tree. The opportunity will present itself for you to teach them. The whole idea behind the kitchen table island in the kitchen was to have that conversation. So many people don't want to talk about money because of the negative feelings and the fears and all this. Just have that, as a parent, have that conversation. Make it a part of their conversation. It's okay to talk about this. It's not taboo. Don't sweep it under the rug. Bring it to light. That's the main reason behind the kitchen table.